Hi guys, in this video I will show you how you can install on this vehicle Geely Geometry C and not only Geely Geometry C and another models with same screen. How can you install applications without waiting your warranty? So first, what do you need? You need to download the files from shared folder. You can follow by the first comment into this video or the description, and you can find the attached folder. What you need to do, you need to download all files and put it to old retro USB drive. Okay, you need to choose 4, 8 or 16 gigabyte disk on key and perform the format to FAT32. If you have Mac laptop or computer of the Macintosh, you can do this. You must to use Windows instead to install those disk on keys to FAT32. And then what you need to do, you need to take this disk on key and put to the left USB, and look what will happen. Before I input this disk on key, look, this is a genuine original firmware, so I'm not voiding the warranty. Now I will put the disk on key into drive. Okay, and I inserted the disk on key to the USB, and you see this message: please do not touch anything. And what will be in few seconds, we'll see the multimedia will restart. So I'm waiting with you. You see, multimedia has been restarted, and this method not wiping, not voiding your warranty, because if you will restore the system to the default, all applications will gone. So in this video I showing you how to install only File Explorer to perform another installations. And what we see now, we see the logo of Geely. It's restart twice. And please don't eject anything from your car. We need to wait. You see, I do this procedure with you. I'm waiting with you, and in next videos I will show you how to install Android Auto or CarPlay, or how to install another applications, and how we can connect our car to Wi-Fi. Some cars like mine arrived with the firmware that support Wi-Fi, and other cars have a Wi-Fi module but not activated, and I will show you in next video how can we connect our car to any Wi-Fi, including your phone access point or SIM card, whatever you want. Okay, now I will pause the video to wait until the end of this installation. Okay, this is the last state, and I wait with you. And what we see same menu, same buttons, but you slide here, and what do you see? You see File Explorer. So now you can install by the File Explorer applications. So please watch the next video. In next video I will show you how can we use the File Explorer to install applications. Good luck. And one more thing, if you want to donate me, you can do it by my email, by PayPal. So please follow the description of this movie and find the link below.